Here's our breaker panel. Up here on the top, everything is clearly marked. We have a double 30 amp breaker for the outdoor condenser and a double 15 amp breaker for the indoor air handler. It's a Kraus & Heinz panel box, and there's your catalog number. Alright guys, here's our air handler and coil that we're going to be replacing. So we'll reuse the refrigerant lines again. We're going to have to change around the way the condensation or the condensate drain runs. So we're going to put a condensate pump in. And we do have a drain line over here that we could possibly tap into and put a drain in there, or I think the best bet is going to be the condensate pump up to the ceiling, and we'll run our line over here to the other side. Right behind us there's a floor drain, so that will be where the new drain line will be. So we can just hug that condensation drain line up against the wall here in the back corner, and then come down back behind the shelving and onto the floor. Let's see here. Electrical is okay, so we can reuse the existing electrical line that comes into the unit. And the return is sized properly from what I can see, so we can reuse the return. I'll check that on my calculator here. And then we're going to do the standard 1-inch filter rack on the bottom of the new air handler. That should be it. Alright guys, we're going to be replacing a 2.5 ton outdoor condenser. Things we're going to do here is we'll reuse the existing line set after we pressure test it, make sure there's no leaks. We're going to put a new disconnect box in, and we'll size that disconnect according to our new system's needs. We're actually going to move the unit to, if we got enough space, we got about 42 inches here in between the second floor system and this little addition that's over here on the side, so we should be able to fit that system in that space. Let's see here, new pad on the ground to get everything nice and level, and then we'll re-insulate the suction line on the line set. So we'll bring some new insulation in. That should be everything for the outside. You'll have easy access. You should be able to back right down the driveway here to bring the equipment in.